This question is all about the features of a quadratic, and I'm going to label them first, and then we'll look at the questions and then see what we're looking for. So this point here, where your graph turns around, this is then known as your turning point of the quadratic. You've then got where it passes through the x-axis, which in this case you've got 2 here. These are then known as the roots or the solutions. Okay, the final key point of interest is this one here, and this is then known as your y-intercept. Okay, so that's where your quadratic passes through the y-axis. Question A asks us, write down the coordinates of the turning point, and the coordinates of the turning point are that point there. When we find coordinates, the x-coordinate comes first and then the y-coordinate. The x-coordinate for this is then 1 and the y-coordinate is then -3. So your answer is 1, -3. Part B, and this is a slightly strange one, it says write down an estimate for one of the roots of x squared minus 2x minus 2 is then equal to 0. There is actually 2 solutions and you can put either of them down, and because it only wants one of them, you just have to put one of them. This one here, and if I was to zoom in slightly, you can then see that there's 5 squares and each little square is 0.2. So that means that that point there is roughly 0.7. or -0.7, and then on the other side that's then positive 2.7. So you can put any value for this, for the roots, as -0.7 or 2.7. You can have a range of values for this, and any value between -0.8 and -0.6 is fine, and 2.6 all the way through to 2.8 is also fine.